So let's start our tour to Dubai's Safari Park. We basically start off with a section called Al-Wadi, which is the Arabic word for a garden. And as you can see, this place is absolutely huge. As far as the eyes can see, you'll see lots of flora and fauna, and you can see that it's been beautifully laid out on a diverse terrain over a few square meters, as you can see. So yeah, that's the tour of the Al-Wadi. We're now moving into the African village. So basically, this park is sectioned into different sections: African village, Asian village, Explorer village, and Arabic desert village. So you can see here we're now on the entrance of the African village, and so we're now entering into the Grand Aviary, and this is where all the birds and some very rare species of birds are actually sitting. And you can see here that it's been very well built, really nicely planned. The overall structure, it's a two-storied structure. So we're just climbing up the stairs, and I'm just going to show you around how the first story is. So as you can see, there's a little bridge over there, and we're just going to walk by onto there. And you can see here that you can see all the way up to the main road from this part of the park here. So you can see here it's a beautiful structure over here. Um, yeah, we just spotted some rare species of peacocks on their nest here. I was absolutely fascinated by just by the uniqueness of the species over here. I've never seen anything like this before, and I'm a big bird lover myself. So you can see here we're just admiring these little creatures over here. So you can see that's the bridge, and it's a pretty big one as well. And you can see here that there's different sides to it. So that's the first story of the Grand Aviary. So that's the full view of um, this structure, and we've just spotted something here, and we don't want to disturb them. As you can see, there's a couple of birds over there, just drinking water, and you can see here this rare species of the lizard. Yeah, so we've now moved on to the African elephants. You can see here these are magnificent creatures. Um, they just have a really spacious outlet over here, and you can see they're just all chilling into that little corner over there. And there we have it, the cheetah. um, there's something going on between them. As you can see, there's one that's here, and then there's a couple others in that corner. And you can see it, just looking at these creatures is so satisfying. You can see they're just chilling um, into their area. And this is the most popular section, I believe, of the park. Just looking at these animals. Um, we're now onto a different section over here. These are just some wild monkeys. Again, they've got a pretty big and comfortable outlet. Um, as you can see here, it's all very green and extremely clean. So we're now into the sections of the white lion. I'm just zooming into this because they're pretty far away. As you can see here, they're just resting. They are pretty much blended into their surroundings, as you can see. Well, lions can be sort of really like lazy animals. They love to chill out, and bask in the sun. So you can see here there's a couple of them just literally just rolling into mud. and we're just again trying to capture the white lion from another side of this section, and there you have it. It's pretty popular as well among the kids and adults as well. This section, this rare animal that we don't get to see. Okay, so we're just going to check out these antelopes. Again, there's so many of them in numbers, and you can see that they're just grazing, the grass. There are a lot of them in numbers, because again, this is a pretty big section, and you can see here there's no crowd here at all. Okay, we're now in the last section of the African village, and as you can see here, there's flamingos over here. It says Greater Flamingo, and there's a whole bunch of them. It is absolutely serene just watching these birds. Just it's absolutely peaceful. I could stay here all day and just watch these birds. And some more birds over here, and you can see here behind the tree is hiding an ostrich. Now I'm not sure whether that's an ostrich or an emu. They both look very much alike, um, so we're just trying to spot another one here which looks like it's hiding in the bushes, but this one is pretty much out in the open, and you can see this rare bird in here. Okay, so we're taking a little break over here. We're just entering into the explorer village, and you can see here there's a beautiful sort of play area for the kids. It's very thematic, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's some eateries over there. Just all sorts of snacks and stuff, if you're just willing to take a break. It's a beautiful weather this time of the year, and you don't feel the sun too harsh, and it's absolutely a great time to go and enjoy this park. Yeah, so we're now checking out the giraffes. As you can see, there's one of them, and there's three others on that side of this section, and I'm absolutely fascinated just looking at this animal. It's beautiful, it's really peaceful over here. There's not a lot of crowd, and you can actually chill out here for a few minutes, just um, watch these animals. Yeah, there you have it. Just amazing feeling just being here. They're huge, believe me. Um, I didn't realize how big they are until I saw this. Yeah, we're just passing over this little bridge, sort of a section, and there's a couple of wild lemurs here. They're just chilling. They're attracting the attention of the passers-by as well. They're literally just chilling in that outlet, and you can see here there's a beautiful waterfall sort of thing here, and just the whole surrounding is so peaceful, and it's just absolutely unique to be here. We're now moving into a toy train here, which is a part of the Arabic desert safari, and you can see this is all really fast paced. And there you have it. We're just in another one here. Um, and you can see it's we're just going to spot some sections of wild antelopes and springboks. So you can see here we're just taking a little bit of a break, and the entire terrain and the ecosystem here is really unique. It's very much simulating the natural environments of these creatures, and it's a total delight and treat to the eye. So as you can see here, um, there you have some antelopes um, just resting into the sun, and um, some of them are having a go at the grass. You can see here they're so peaceful, they're absolutely chilled out. They're very comfortable with the trains, the toy trains passing, and it doesn't disturb them at all. And there you have it. These are again some really wild species, as far as I can see, with extremely big and um, curved horns, almost like wild goats. And onto the toy train, they actually give you a little guided tour as well. As you can, I'm not sure if you can hear the audio in Arabic. But you can see here, these almost look like mountain goats and sheeps. And that's just us completing the tour of the Dubai Safari Park. That's the main entrance here. Um, and the displays are the main entrance. But I hope you enjoyed this live tour, and it's definitely worth a visit. So I hope you like it. Thank you.